Imagine standing on scorched land, surrounded by smoke and flames. Wildfires seem to devastate our world every summer. But, what if they could ignite from within the Earth? Today, we explore the global wildfire theory. Wildfires are not just surface phenomena. They could potentially spark deeper, even inside the Earth. This theory suggests that geological factors play a significant role in fire outbreaks. Let's break this down step by step. First, we know wildfires are fueled by dry vegetation. Second, we examine underground heat sources. They can ignite flammable materials, causing fires to erupt from below. Consider geothermal hotspots. These are areas where heat from the Earth's interior reaches the surface. As temperatures rise, they can dry out soil and create ideal conditions for fire. Now, think about the impact of climate change. Rising temperatures and prolonged droughts increase wildfire risk. The global wildfire theory suggests that, if unchecked, this could lead to catastrophic fires originating from beneath the Earth's crust. We can see scenarios in history. Large-scale wildfires have occurred in places like California and Australia. These events show how vulnerable our ecosystems are to both surface and potentially subterranean ignitions. To summarize, the global wildfire theory posits that the Earth could burn from the inside out. Understanding geological interactions with wildfires is crucial. Protecting our planet requires awareness of all potential fire sources. Are you concerned about wildfires? Stay informed and advocate for climate action. Help spread awareness and support forest conservation. Let's fight to keep our planet safe together.